So for years, I kind of avoided these chairs, mainly just because the price point was almost double what some of the other chairs were that you could pick up on the market. Now I've gone through probably easily a couple dozen chairs over the years, trying to find one that either was comfortable enough that I liked or didn't break after the first few months of use. I went ahead, I bit the bullet, I bought two of these chairs made by GCI Outdoor. This is the Rocker Pro. I want to take a second to show you this chair and kind of explain to you why this chair actually is worth the money that you're going to invest in this up front. GCI makes a couple different chairs. They've got them in XL models, Pro models, you name it. They come in all kinds of shapes and colors. This particular chair is rated at 250 pounds. Now when you see this chair, it's folded up like so. It's got a nice carrying strap right here off the side of the chair. Now depending on how you look at this, that's all you got to do. You fold your chair up and you're ready to go. It's lightweight enough that if you have to carry it a long distance, you're going to be good to go. It does not have a carrying bag though, which I kind of liked at the same time because it does kind of keep the chair protected. However, that's also something I usually tend to get frustrated with, trying to get the chair back in the bag, or those bags tear up over time and you essentially throw those bags away anyways. Basically this chair here, it holds together with this strap right here. We'll take this strap off that little lug and then this chair just folds out like so. And that's really all there is to it. The setup is extremely easy on this chair. So you'll see here that this chair has also got a rocking feature on it as well, which is something I really liked about this chair. And besides the rocking feature, this chair, to me anyways, is extremely comfortable. It doesn't have a ton of bells and whistles on it, but what it does have that I like, it's got a spot here for your phone. So when you sit down in your chair, you can essentially put your phone right here in the little holder. It's got a cup holder that'll hold most of your cups. Some of your larger coffee cups, they don't fit in that cup holder, but otherwise you're pretty good there. The other thing that I found out that I really enjoyed about this chair when we were camping a couple weekends ago, and it was in the mid 90s, this breathable back here is something that most of the chairs I've purchased does not have. You would not believe the difference that that back makes when you're extremely hot and making sure airflow still gets to your back and you don't end up with a wet t-shirt or shirt while you're sitting here in your chair trying to enjoy this. The super comfortable chair, like I mentioned, this comes in a few different colors as well. We opted for the indigo blue, but check out the other colors and see if there's one that fits the bill for you. As I mentioned, this chair is rated up to 250 pounds. And if you do need a chair that has a little bit more weight capacity, check out the Rocker XL. It's a little bit wider chair. It's got a little bit higher weight capacity to it. This chair is absolutely worth the money in my opinion. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.